Hello, and welcome. It's so good to see you. I hope you have been taking care of yourself.
This is an RV that we are tidying for a family to go on a camping trip. They will be leaving in only a few hours. If we don't complete this clean for them, they will not be happy and there will be a lot of things that could fall and break while in transport.
I hope we can get this RV tidy and ready to go. Let's see what happens.
Mopping the floor on my hands and knees, because the mop wasn't working on this floor type and the clock is ticking. After mopping the floors, they looked immaculate, but are they good enough for this family? There was no running water in this RV, so that made cleaning difficult.
Because there is no water, it may postpone this trip. We gotta hustle to meet the deadline.
Did we make the deadline?
Yes, this family was so thankful and excited to have a clean RV for their vacation.
Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more.